First, remove the edge brush. Grasp one edge brush foot and unscrew the screw. Then remove the bottom cover and screw the screws in order. Remove the cover. The key is here. Gently remove the battery, press and hold the buckle firmly, and vertically remove the battery. Take out a new battery, align the buckle direction, insert vertically, and gently place the battery in its original position. Put the lid on. Tighten all screws in order. Grasp one brush foot and tighten the screw. That's it.